Head.
Welcome back to Dirtbike Magazine's video series Premix, where it's all two strokes all the time. In this edition of Premix, we're going to give you an up-close look at our build with the crew at Motowhips that we call the Prodigy 2.0. 2.0 means that this is the second version of this motorcycle, naturally. The first version was a tribute to the men and women of law enforcement. This one's got a little bit different kick on it with completely different styling. We went a little bit farther with the build engine-wise, and if you've seen any of Justin's work from Motowhips, you know that it's all about attention to detail. So let's get right into this thing. As you can already tell, this bike has coatings and carbon fiber, factory upgrades. The wheels were done by Faster USA using Excel A60 rims and Dunlop tires. For a little bit of extra stopping power up front, we installed a MotoStuff oversized front brake rotor kit. And then the engine was completely rebuilt with Mitch Payton from Pro Circuit doing all the grinding on the cylinder. A complete Henson billet-proof clutch was installed, and Moto Tassinari V4 reeds. The engine performance was topped off by a Pro Circuit work style pipe and stainless steel aluminum silencer. While the engine was out, the frame and subframe was sent out to be powder coated. There's actually a two-tone powder coat on the main frame, going from black to white and then back to black again. The suspension received coatings inside and out, with all the linkage getting the Motowhips treatment. The carbon fiber skid plate comes from P3 Carbon, and the gas tank comes from Europe and is imported by Motowhips, and it's a full carbon unit. Other stuff that stand out on the build are the titanium pegs, brake master cylinders, and calipers were also coated in-house at Motowhips. And the crew at Decal Works topped off the build with a custom graphics kit and seat cover to match the color scheme of the motorcycle. For more information on this build, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com and check out the Behind the Builds feature. For everybody watching this on YouTube, just go ahead and click the link in the description. If you like this project build and want to see more, click the video thumbnail now, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on the videos that we're releasing.